You know how unbelievable the weather is in Hyderabad right now? It's touching 5 degrees, and almost every kid in our community has a cold. We are literally catching cold for free these days, and both my little girls caught it too. So I decided to make my go to chicken soup, the one that really works. It's gentle, comforting, and made with very mild kitchen spices. This soup helps soothe the throat, ease cold and cough, and it's safe for little ones. If your child is unwell, you can easily make this at home.